Fabi AI is one of the most talked about new AI tools on the market, and in this review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. If you've been curious about this software, stay tuned because I'm going to cover its features, benefits, and what makes it stand out from the rest. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can try Fabi AI for free, no strings attached. First, let me get right into it. Fabi AI is a powerful tool designed to revolutionize how businesses approach digital marketing and automation. It's designed for both newcomers and seasoned marketers, with a set of tools that can dramatically streamline your workflows and save you hours of manual effort. I'll be going through its features and showing you how it can be a game changer in your operations. One of the most impressive aspects of Fabi AI is its intuitive user interface. It's easy to navigate, and you don't need a tech background to get started. Whether you're automating social media posts, creating detailed content, or even managing customer interactions, Fabi AI has simplified every step. For people who have used complex platforms before, you'll immediately appreciate how straightforward it is. Now, let's talk about its core functionality. Fabi AI stands out because of its ability to generate personalized content and campaigns. Instead of just relying on templates, the software analyzes your data to produce targeted content that resonates with your audience. This is a huge time saver for marketers who need to create tailored messages but don't want to spend hours tweaking each post. In addition, Fabi AI uses advanced machine learning to improve the more you use it. It's designed to adapt to your preferences and refine its output based on your past decisions. This self-learning feature is something that sets Fabi AI apart from many other AI tools on the market, which often require you to input everything manually each time. Another huge plus is its versatility. Fabi AI isn't just focused on one specific aspect of marketing. It handles everything from email campaigns to lead generation and even chatbots for customer service. This all-in-one solution is perfect for businesses that want to streamline their digital marketing efforts while maintaining high quality. Let's talk about pricing, because what's the catch, right? The good news is that you can try Fabi AI for free using the link in the description. This means you can test out all of its features and see firsthand if it fits your needs before committing to any plans. And if you're already in the market for AI software, you'll appreciate how competitive Fabi's pricing is compared to similar tools. One thing to note is that Fabi AI is regularly updated with new features. They've rolled out some exciting improvements since its release, and it looks like they're committed to keeping it fresh and relevant for users. This means you're not just getting a one-time tool, but something that's evolving along with your business needs. Lastly, Fabi AI excels in customer support. Whether you're new to AI or a seasoned pro, their support team is available and helpful, ensuring you get the most out of the platform. Plus, their community is growing quickly, and you'll find plenty of resources to help you along the way. So, should you use Fabi AI? If you're looking for an AI solution that can simplify your digital marketing and provide real-time personalized results, then Fabi AI is definitely worth a try. Remember, you can test it completely free via the link below. I've spent years testing and using hundreds of AI tools, and Fabi AI is one of the most well-rounded software solutions I've come across. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to try it for free and see for yourself. And if you're still exploring your options, I've also linked my personal favorite AI tools below. These are all tools I've personally vetted, and I believe they can help elevate your business.